If I'm a real estate investor or a home buyer looking to buy a subject to or seller finance deal, where can I find a subject to deal? Where can I find a seller finance deal? If you're focusing on single family, these are my top choices. Number one is startwithprivy.com. What Privy is going to show you is on market listed properties for sale. The challenge with Privy is that you will have to do the work of reaching out to the agent and pitching terms. Zillow, same thing. You're going to be going on Zillow and you're going to be pitching. Okay, these are challenging because if you have not learned the art of negotiation, the art of sales, this becomes tough. MLS with a real estate agent, same thing. You're gonna have to pitch terms. What I would be doing if I'm doing Sub2 or seller finance is I would focus on expired listings. We have an expired listings training down in the description below as well, so go check that out. Investor Lift. Now this is where it becomes really, really easy. Investor Lift has my students from the Sub2 community posting their Sub2 deals on Investor Lift that are already negotiated, already contracted. You don't have to learn how to negotiate. You can just go buy a deal literally right now. If you are in the Sub2 community, you know this. We do more Sub2 transactions than anybody else, and all you have to do is wait in the Facebook group inside our private community for about 15 minutes, and you'll see a new juicy deal pop up. Last year, we did $5 billion in transactions in subject to and seller finance deals. We also have a free version, which is Creative Finance with Morby Facebook group. There are about 100 deals a day posted in this Facebook group. These three are the easy button. You can be in the Sub2 community, you can go on Investor Lift to buy deals from the Sub2 community, or you can go on the Creative Finance with Morby Facebook group. These deals are already contracted, negotiated, structured, and paperwork is done, escrow is open, ready for you to be the buyer. It is truly that simple. So when people say there's no deals, no, you're just not educated. And when you hear somebody else say there's no Sub2 deals, just say, oh, that dude's uneducated. They don't know, they haven't watched Pace video, they haven't subscribed, they haven't done those types of things. One of my favorite websites, if I had to go do a deal right now on market, I would go to landwatch.com. There are 13,000 creative finance listings right now. There are many more. You could go to title companies and ask for expired listings. You could go to foreclosures and call and door knock and all of those types of things. But these are the easiest ones that most people gravitate to because you can do them from your computer. All right, let's say that I want to buy multifamily, or I want to buy an RV park, or I want to buy mobile home parks, things of that nature. Guys, there's always places like PropStream, okay? PropStream is a great place. But here's the challenge with PropStream is that you have to learn how to negotiate, right? Because you are reaching out to sellers directly. Same thing here when you go to Start with Privy, you will be able to find commercial properties, 4plexes, 6plexes, etc. You'll go to Start with Privy and you will have to learn how to negotiate. So if you are somebody that's brand new to the channel, you could go watch my YouTube videos of me negotiating with sellers, of course, me negotiating with agents, of course, but those calls are kind of meant for YouTube. They're not meant for you to get the full gamut. If you want to learn how to negotiate, the best salesperson on planet Earth is me. Why? Because the best salesperson is the person who cares about their prospect and their customer the most, and I don't know anybody that cares more about their sellers and their agents more than me. 3, I love multifamily. The last mobile home park that we bought came off Crexy.com. You can go to Crexy.com right now and you can filter for owner finance, seller finance, subject to, and deals will pop up nationwide. This is gas stations. This is multifamily, apartments, hotels, dirt, all sorts of things. Crexy is awesome. Another one is loopnet.com. Now, I have heard a lot of times, oh, Pace, LoopNet is where deals go to die. Crexy is where deals go to die. No, those are where deals go that somebody that knows creative finance needs to revive these deals. These are typically deals that somebody else couldn't sell in the traditional market, and so they put them on Crexy or LoopNet, and somebody like me steps in, and yeah, of course I can lowball them on a cash offer, but I can also lock up deals. The 2 RV parks that we bought here in Montana, Crexy. The mobile home parks that we bought down in Yuma are from loopnet.com. These are not where deals go to die. These are where people that know creative finance go to thrive. The 5th one that I really love, I've mentioned this in the previous one, is landwatch.com. Landwatch is really interesting because you can buy seller finance land all over the country. You can build on it, you can wholesale it, you can do tons of deals. Millions and millions and millions of dollars are waiting for you at landwatch.com. There are currently, right now, as of today, 13,000 seller finance and Sub2 deals on landwatch.com for you to take advantage of. You could also go to investorlift.com. Investorlift is a really great way for you to find deals that are already under contract. 7, Sub2 Community. Guys, the Sub2 community is, as you already know, everybody that is in the Sub2 community just rants and raves about how amazing it is. If you're having a hard time getting a deal, just buy a deal from a Sub2 student. They've already learned how to negotiate from me. They've learned the paperwork from me. They've learned how to get in there and get the deal done and close the seller from me. And they bundle these up and they'll sell the contract to you. All you have to do is pay them an assignment fee. You could just go into the Sub2 community by joining it, or you could go into our free Facebook group, Creative Finance with Pace Morby, and link in with them, tell them exactly what you're looking for, and they'll go out and find those deals and assign them to you. So there you go, multifamily and other properties can all be found in these locations. Okay, so we've broken down multiple places for you to go find these deals. Some of them are already contracted, so you don't have to know how to negotiate or even know how to do the paperwork. You can just buy them from existing Sub2 community members like I do. Last year, I bought $100 million in real estate just from my students. Damn! People that joined the Sub2 community. You can do the same thing. Now, if you're having a hard time saying, well, I don't understand the whole process, every single month in our free Facebook group, I do a 2-day challenge where I start a business from scratch, LLC and all, and I go out and I start doing outreach and I show you the first couple of steps to take in order to generate leads, opportunities for your wholesale, fix and flip, and buy and hold business. So go into the free Creative Finance with Pace Morby Facebook group, the link will be in the description, and jump into one of our challenges that we do every single month for 2 days. Come into the live chat, meet with everybody, and it's a great way for you to get your feet wet, dip your toes into the creative finance real estate space, and see how we do what we do. Guys, we will see you in another video, but on your way out, I want you to take the time, leave us a comment and say, Pace, I've got other questions. Please make a video about X, Y, and Z. We want to hear your feedback so we can improve the channel and improve your education. See you later.